what I wanted to talk about today is, well, some of the pressures that businesses do face, with regards to the rising costs of really operations. You're hearing more often than not about how these small businesses are struggling and not making money and going broke, and it's so difficult to win out there. And there's a couple of things with that. I think just people in general are not equipped to deal with it properly. And also, as in the skill set, the knowledge, they get into business thinking, oh yeah, I'm going to crush it, learn from their mistakes, sort of take that long route to being successful. But also there are external pressures to them too.
What are the external ones?
Oh, just saying with the cost of actually operations, from employees, from making sales. Like, as we've said before in previous conversations, most people aren't great at making sales.
Most people suck.
That's what I mean, and it's like you get in there and they probably think they're good. They probably think they're all right. But there's so many things that they could be doing to actually skyrocket their business that they're not. Yeah. And then they've got these other factors which they're not even considering, like, okay, minimum wage, most people are getting paid more than minimum wage. So it's probably not going to really affect those people. But still, in saying that, it is now a minimum. It's the benchmark. And then also superannuation has gone up to 12%. And it used to be 10%. So that extra 2% now that businesses have to pay their employees.
Yeah. But so it went from 11.5 to 12.
Yeah, but from it used to be at 10 for the longest time. It's been 10% since it came out. I think it was less. No, it was less actually.
It was like 9.
Yeah, 9. You're right. So it's gone up from like 9 to 12. This has happened at like 0.5% over the years.
Yeah, and
from memory,
it's gone from 11 to 11.5 to 12 very fast.
It's been every 12 months that it's been going up. They had a goal from this point to a certain point to go up. Here's what I think part of the
Why did that bother you? Because I'm sensing a sense of...
Oh, no, it doesn't bother me. It doesn't bother me from that perspective. It's more, it's just another factor that businesses now have to face and incorporate. So, like, okay, do all of their prices go up by 0.5% on everything they're doing? Technically, yeah, it should, because now they have an additional cost to business. And now everyone's complaining how everything is so expensive. Like, you go to get a coffee now, it used to be $4. It's now $5.50, $6, $7, whatever you're paying for your coffee. But all of these things have to get passed on. And I think some of the problem lies here. I reckon in small businesses in Australia, they should be really helped more, as far as even tax, from the government, even from like a tax perspective, small businesses need to win. I think small businesses need to win for the good of the economy. And too many are not winning. Too many are either going broke or not making enough money. And I reckon that's a problem.
Yeah, but you know what? I'm gonna take the other side.
Yeah, good.
And I'm gonna turn around and say that you're right. They probably are winning. But I'll tell you why. It's got nothing to do with 0.5% on super.
Oh, of course not. It's just a contributing
It's because
factor.
they suck.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like genuinely, there's some businesses out there do one thing. Like you have one fucking job. Your thing is like, you've got one product. You serve this one food. Dude, nothing upsets me more than going and paying for a meal and saying, I could have whipped this up better.
Yeah.
And it's like, I don't even like cooking.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Like, that's not my thing. And I still could have did this better than you.
Yeah.
That's shame. Shame on you. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
what are you doing? And then you're going to go complain. Because that's the person who will complain, oh, minimum wages are up, blah, blah.
That's
hey.
it. You can't even cook a good egg.
Yeah.
Ask for poached.
How good are eggs?
Not hard boiled.
Eggs are good.
Yeah, they're great.
But you know what I mean? Like, and then there's businesses that provide a phenomenal experience. And then you're like, hey, we'll pay a premium.
Charge more. Yeah.
Yeah. Like
I've actually got a mate that's like that. I've got a mate that he does great work. And like, I think he was looking after me as far as I was buying something from him. And I'm like, hey, like,
do you want to give him a plug on the podcast?
No, fuck him.
Why?
Like, oh, charge
he
more. Yeah, he's a good mate.
Yeah, give him a plug.
No, I'll get him on.
Yeah.
I said, you should charge more.
Why do you
charge more.
You don't like him?
What? No, I don't like him that much. I said, you should be charging more, man. I go, you're too cheap. He's very busy as well. I said, it's supply and demand. You've got to be charging more. You deliver a good product and I reckon you need to charge more. But again, that could be an element of what you're saying. People suck at business.
People suck at business.
So he doesn't realize, he goes, oh, no, I can't charge that much. Maybe it's a self-worth thing. Maybe it's, oh, I feel like I'm ripping people off. Man, the more money you make, the better service you can provide. I'd rather have 10 customers that pay me heaps and give them amazing service than 100 that pay me fuck all and give me grief.
Yeah, but most people live in the latter.
Yeah, that's right.
Do you know what I mean? And they
That's
just scrape by, and then they sit there saying, you know, business is hard and blah, blah, blah. And I think that, because like business is hard.
Yeah, it's not easy at all.
But I also think that thing of like, it's ingrained into people.
Yeah, that it's hard.
Yeah, like kind of like I'm the victim
Yeah.
kind of mentality.
Yeah,
Do you know what I mean?
absolutely.
Like, oh, poor me.
Yeah.
You know, woe is
Almost
me.
permission to fail.
Yeah.
You know, like it's like, oh, well, I gave it a crack. Oh, it's too hard. Oh, it's this, it's this, it's this. Yes, there is an element of that for sure.
Yeah, and I'm so anti that.
Mm.
So anti that. And yeah, I think most businesses don't deliver a great job. So if you're struggling in business, like fix it.
Yeah.
Do something. Don't change something. Do you know what I mean? Like there is, if you were really good at what you do, like someone somewhere is paying top dollar for the service that you offer, whatever it is. I don't care what it is. Like you make breakfast, you serve pizzas, you clean toilets. Someone somewhere is paying premium for that same service. And it's like, why can't they pay that premium to you?
Yep.
Do you know what I mean? You say that thing. Somewhere out there is the most expensive builder in Australia. It's not me, and I'm pissed off.
Yeah.
And it's like, well, how can that person get away with it?
That's right.
And someone's doing it right now.
Yeah.
People complain, oh, I can't buy a house. People complain, dude.
Oh, all the time.
But I can't buy a house. I can't do this. Rent is high, blah, blah, blah. And it's like, hey, someone just bought a house in Noosa for 20 million last week. Do you know what I mean? That person did it. You can go and say, oh, you know, rich family, blah, blah, blah. You can make every excuse you want. Like every single one. But is every single one of them a rich family?
Yeah.
Aren't some of them self-made?
Yeah, exactly.
Do you know what I mean? How did they do it? And that's why I refused like 0.5%. Sure. Here, take one. Yeah, I'll pay you more. Yeah. Give me the best employees. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
If you're paying minimum wage, that's a problem in and of itself.
I agree. Yeah, I agree with that completely.
It is. It's a problem in and of itself.
You're scraping the bottom of the barrel.
You are
better off.
yeah.
You are better off paying more to get a better quality person that will deliver, as opposed to someone that's just going to go through the motions.
And way more return on a small improvement. Like other than
heaps. Often, like I think it's about 24 something an hour at the moment. That's the minimum wage. So give them 30.
If you like that clip and you want to watch another one, click just over here. And if you want to watch the full episode, click just over here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.